So today we're going to be looking at these words this week. We have 4 new vocabulary words for the article Irwin Family Helps Animals. So we'll go over each word and their definitions. The first word is family. Family, a group of people related to each other. So your family might include your dad, your mom, brothers or sisters, aunts, uncles, cousins. All of these are your family, grandmas, grandpas. The next word is help. Help. Help means to give aid. If you're trying to help someone stand up, help someone get something, help someone do someone a favor. Can you help me go shopping today? All of it, we're helping someone. The next word is wild animals. And so wild animals are animals that live in the wilderness. So koalas, kangaroos, bilbies, these animals live in the forest. They live in a jungle. They live out and about on their own. So dogs and cats are not wild animals because they live in our homes. Those are domestic animals. Wild animals do not live in people's homes. Sometimes they live at the zoo if they need help. Other times they just live in nature on their own. And the next word is wildfire. Wildfire, an uncontrolled fire that burns large areas of wilderness. So we've had several wildfires, not in San Francisco, but close to us. And that's why sometimes we've seen it be really smoky. It's hard to breathe. It's when all these trees in a large area are on fire. Sometimes it's because it's just really hot. The weather is hot. Maybe someone threw something like a cigarette in the fire. They had a campfire and they didn't put it out correctly. That can start a fire. So those are wildfires are usually in like a lot of trees and buildings or buildings that are close to those forests. So one more time, we have family, a group of people related to each other. Help, to give aid. Wild animals, animals that live in the wilderness. And wildfire, an uncontrolled fire that burns large areas of wilderness.